Hello, my name is Daniel Wolf, Software Architect here at Grandview Engineering Solutions, and today I would like to give you a quick tutorial on installing and setting up our vehicle data link adapters. So let's get started. The first thing you will want to do is start your favorite browser and go to www.my-grandview.com and click on Downloads. Our latest production release software is always available on this page. We provide 64 and 32-bit installations. Click on the button that matches your operating system. If you're not sure, your machine is most likely 64-bit, but there is a quick way to know for sure, and that is to use the control panel. Go to the Windows search bar and type in Control, C-O-N-T-R-O-L. Click on the control panel link. Click System. The System Type field holds the information we are looking for. My machine is a 64-bit machine, so I will return to the browser and choose that option. After the download has completed, simply run it to begin the installation. There are no options for our installation, so just click Next, accept the license agreement, and then Install. Say yes twice to the user account control pop-ups from Microsoft. And you are done. This pop-up is to let you know that the first time you connect your data link adapter to your PC using the USB cable, Windows will associate our device driver with the new hardware. Click OK and then Finish. The last step is to connect the data link adapter to your PC using the USB cable provided in your kit. Windows will recognize the new hardware and automatically find and associate our device driver, finishing the installation. We put links to our website, user manuals, and most commonly used applications on the Start menu for your convenience. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and check out our other videos for more information on using your Grandview Vehicle Data Link Adapter. Make sure to like us on Facebook and follow us on LinkedIn.